Say green ivy, or say ash ivy, or say indigo ivy. Take the phone, give your mommy, make her talk to him. Chico, what's up? B, the way me then you did. Why say you call shatter? A whole shatter. Say nigga can do song give you. Hey? Nigga can do song drop in bars and sense. You talk pa for the song inside you jam. Why say come on the thing for the tongue inside? What's up, my people? It's your boy Alpha Band. I'm back in the talk with me. Charlie, if it's your first time out here, consider subscribing to this channel. Cause here we dey drop major keys with the real deal. That's the real deal, no. Charlie, my eye get today. My eye really get. See, at long last, in track drop. At long last, they drop the album. You understand? So yeah, Charlie, today we're Beyonce dropping album like she promised. You know? You understand? Yeah. So she dropping album, The Lion King, The Gift. It's a gift to Africa. Trust me. It be mad album. But today we can't talk about Shatta your own pet. Shatta your own pet. Cause trust me, as I listen to the song, it really over me. I'm really shocked. You say, hey, Shatta, you this. In this. Charlie, the track be mad. I sure say as you watch this thing, if you listen to the track, you understand? The track, see, hands down. It don't want to give Ghana. It plays Ghana on the map. It make Beyonce feel the song. You understand? So yeah, Charlie, you know be now where and they can't play the song, make you listen. Cause see, if I play the song right now, the copyright will go bad for YouTube. You go, yeah. Trust me, the track it be mad tune. It be really mad tune. In my own perception, Charlie, Shatta do all. Shatta do all. You do all. This one, you know, go talk say if they can't see statue self give somebody. Cause till date, I still not see the statue of Acehood for Ghana yet. See, make somebody tell Kabute say that fans where we don't take go build that statue give Acehood with the bag. Make it claim that money come. We go take extra time money. You understand? You don't know Kabute. Kabute be called the new name that. You understand? So yeah, Charlie, trust me, then the team be mad. It be really mad. Trust me. It just over me. I listen to the song. I swear. See, if I play the song right now, what I will do about it for you, yeah. So yeah, Charlie, I know you loved the tune. Moku hear your vibe down below the comments. You understand? Yeah. But one thing will really shock me. It really weak me. It make a shock. I listen to the track like 10 times. I say, something is missing in the track. Something like we normally know, say, like we for here for tracks inside. If Shatta day on the, we're really here today. Why? What's up? Neka Shatampa. SM for life, yeah, pa. Everywhere, they're everywhere, like in the top dancing, you understand? But Charlie, today we don't hear that thing. Really, as I hear that thing, I say, or this thing, you know, be Shatta. Or as Shatta talk that things for inside where Bear 2 talk say Chico, this thing, it be international life, so we go put up from inside. If it be so big, we then now and then, no. But yeah, Charlie, as them drop the vibe, you understand? Wait, Charlie. Them contact Shatta while they do some small interview like that. You have one billion say, yo, Shatta. You 4 people, like your pa, then SM, then Shatta, wale. It on like it for the song inside, like today, what's up?
You see, what I would just say is, music moves hand in hand like, with entertainment. And, you know, sometimes we have projects in music that we do, you know. So, for instance, when you have a project to sing about keep your gutters clean, yes, you would move according to the project. You understand? Sometimes when maybe you are given the opportunity to sing about a certain crisis and, you know, it's a sorrowful thing, I don't think it should come with certain types of things. You know, you have to move according to what you've been given to do. And this type of project is not just any project. You know, it's a movie with an album. And you should know that when it comes to things like this of a top notch, you should be serious with it. You know, so I was like just serious with the project because I didn't know how the outcome was going to be. Me, myself, I didn't listen to the master until this morning.
Wow.
That, you know, yes, you know, so it's something I didn't want to play with it at all. And I didn't want to lose the opportunity to as well. All those who didn't hear the papa, I think I know that said it, play the song and fixing your papa. Because if I had lost it, the bashment that I would have gotten, people would have been saying that because of my papa, you know, it was too disturbing. And that's why, you know, I know how my people are. So
I know.
Please, this was just my wire. I've gotten 10 ones.
I know. I know. So it was not as if you were restricted. You decided that this is a different theme, so you are not going to bring the fun aspect of your composition in there.
Yes, you know, because I believe that Papa would come on stage if I have the opportunity to perform with Beyonce. And the fans that know me, you know how energetic I am when I have to step on stage, you know. So that is also another aspect.
So yeah, Shatta show you level. Trust me, you know disappoint Ghana. Shatta no disappoint Ghana. If you figure say Shatta disappoint Ghana, you get problem. Today I just dey talk about Shatta. The funny thing where it happened today, where it really weak me from nowhere, and they get to go drop it the plug. That this guy talk say they go drop in, they come drop say EP or say hey. Today of all days where they come drop EP, we beg. We go adjourn your own lesson. You understand? Yeah. We adjourn your lesson. Cause your beef come. Ask Kiddy drop in album. We take it all put aside. If Kiddy talk album matter safe, then we the yon. Nay ram. You feel like? Yeah. So today, as with the lesson day in album, I will come to review the whole album. Cause it be a whole African vibe. You feel like? Yeah. So Charlie, make no worry. MDK fans, or the Mungusu NTA, you people for just listening to our one. You feel like? But we still the vibe. Plus already. They should be mad. They should be mad. Trust me. They just killed that thing. Beyonce. Papa! Or no power money. But yeah, he explained things. You have. So Charlie, no long thing. Make a note down below the comments how you feel as you listen to the track. You feel me? Yeah. So Charlie, I will come in later on, talk about the whole album and songs. Yeah, then we vibe more. You feel the vibe? Yeah, you already know the name. Charlie, if you not subscribe to the channel, if you not subscribe, subscribe right now. Like the video, share. I mean, the name is Ty Faba, and I'm out of the 2